Gurudev, can you give us one instruction about how to stop to be greedy about food?
How to control the tongue? We want to eat always rich food, good preparations. How can we check that?
By chanting name. Don't give any time that she should be trying to chatter better.
Only empty pen, no more master.
One devotee asking the questions from East Europe through internet. He says, how can we develop a firm attachment to Krishna?
One devotee from East Europe, Russia or Poland,
He's a disciple of Bhakti Vallabhchita Maharaj.
He is asking the question how to develop mamata, attachment for Krishna.
Firm attachment.
Always chanting name and having attachment to Vaishnava and Guru.